You can see right here I'm connecting to online services. I was literally just playing online and now I can't connect anymore. We just finished first map and then all of a sudden I got cannot connect to server. So they're clearly hitting me offline. You can see that it's not just my Call of Duty. If I go over here on my computer, my Google's not loading either. You can see right there, Google. None of that's loading. And right there, look, Call of Duty server is not available. I can't. I have AT&T. I, I I can't connect to the server and my Google's down. The only reason AT&T can't. Yeah. I can upload this video though. All right, hang on. Let me fin. Let me get connect to server a second time. It's waiting to do that right now because I can't connect to online server still. GB Dillon literally just saw us in that match.